Good evening, all of you. Welcome back to your 2025 board exam preparation. As I promised, today is your day to start your board exam preparation. In the previous video, I told you we just are left with 32 days. Ma'am, 34 days now. How come 32 days? Because I left 2 days for biomolecules. Please watch the introduction video where I have given a beautiful strategy for your board exams. So today we are going to start with your first chapter, that is your solutions chapter. You very well know in your solutions chapter and also discussed in the previous video that your solutions MCQs are most important, very important MCQs. Here in this MCQs, you all know it is a physical chemistry chapter and everything will be numerical based MCQ. Simple things, maybe 1 mark they may ask you direct question, but careful, all the MCQs whichever comes for solutions chapter, it will be MCQ based, that is numerical based questions. So what did I do? I carefully took out your NCERT textbook. Then I took out topic wise MCQs. It took a lot of time for me, but it is okay. It is for you all, right? So I took out NCERT and I did line by line MCQ. Line by line MCQ. Yes, this MCQ along with your solutions also. So what did I do? I took a topic. For example, let us take vapor pressure. In vapor pressure, what type of question they're going to ask you? I framed a question. Then I gave an answer relevant to that at end of the file, and I also discussed why are you justifying it. Basically, MCQs are elimination processes, isn't it? In 4 options, whichever is the closest one, whichever is the rightest one, you need to mark it. Correct? So, like that, from vapor pressure, colligative properties, your Henry's laws, your Raoult's law, your solubility concept, your, everything rather, step by step. All the colligative properties, all the 4, that is relative lowering of vapor pressure, your elevation and boiling point, depression and freezing point, osmotic pressure, like that, abnormal molecular mass, everything I covered. Ma'am, why we are going in depth, this also will be useful for your NEET examination, alright? So, carefully I took the topic, carefully I designed a question, carefully I gave the solution also. Now what is your task? Your task is, please watch the complete video. After you watch the complete video, you will understand where am I stressing. How will the board exam also ask you? Because I am the part of the board, right? So I very well know where they will ask you. So carefully watch the complete video till the end. Almost 125 questions is what I have framed. Ma'am, if I study this is enough? Yes, it is enough. 125 MCQs will cover all the topics for your board examinations. So please go through the topics, take a 300 pages notebook and start writing question and answer, start practicing it. One more thing, I'm always available in Telegram. Yes, students, so you can ask me question at any point of time. Because these are MCQs, initially I'm giving it to you and I'm sending you a video. So all the 125 MCQs, if you study, then we will go to the next topic of the solutions. That's very important for you. So wait till the end, watch till the end, and the end of the video, I've given you something important. Please, after you watch the complete video, tell me in the comment section, how did you like my way of teaching you all? Alright, thank you so much. Let's start the video. What is important? Topic-wise MCQs with solutions. Here we go. I'm going to show you the questions right now. Thank you so much.
Yes. So, as a part of your board exam preparation, as I said, I'll be starting with the solutions chapter, correct? First, you very well know how many MCQs we have. Oh my God. Section A. Section A is the MCQ part for us. In that, you have 16 questions where we are going to study complete 16 questions of the solution chapter. Yes. So, for that, we're going to start with the preparation today, and I request all of you to go to the complete video because each and every MCQ is prepared line by line NCERT. So NCERT topic wise MCQs. Suppose if you take the first question here, this is based on a colligative property, the initial concept about vapor pressure. So NCERT page number is given. It is also like just which one, which line, where we are going to take. So question is given, even the page number is given, where we are taking the topic. Gradually from there, I took into types of solutions topic. All right, questions are there. Then gradually there are MCQs based on expressing concentration of solutions. See, so many questions are there, one after the other, taking up numericals, taking up questions, everything is included based on concept of concentration, molarity, normality, mole fraction, everything is there in this. So this particular MCQ, as I said, is taken from page by page. It is mentioned here also for you or for further reference. So gradually these questions, whatever are there, as I told you, not one, not two, not three, there are, oh my god, if I have to tell you, 14, 15, like that, any number of questions are there for this, for you all to study. Alright, so many questions, that too page number mentioned, will be very useful for you, isn't it? I'll take you all to the next page. Suppose this is solubility concept. In solubility concept, you have this particular thing, where all the questions along with the page numbers, along with the graphical representation is given here. Very, very important concept, isn't it? If you start practicing these MCQs, first of all, as I told you, 16 marks are there for your MCQs, and all these solutions chapter include numericals only. So gradually I am taking you into different picture based questions, graphical based questions, increasing, decreasing order questions, trends questions, everything is there in this. It took a lot of time for me to do this. All right. So let us proceed. So many questions are there on Henry's laws. So many questions on solubility concepts. So many questions on scuba diving questions. Like that, every page and everything is covered in this. So now what you are going to do as we proceed. Suppose see this topic. This topic is vapor pressure. Sorry. This topic is vapor pressure of liquid solutions. From here, we are going page number wise, going with the graphical questions, everything. Plot is given because compulsory there is a graph based question which is asked in the board exam. Alright, so this is a graphical based question. From there, gradually we are going into NCERT page number 44 and 45. Remember, I did one shot videos. Please watch that one shot videos also so that it is easy for you. We still have 35 days or 33 days for your board exam, so sit and practice this. My request all of you is, it took a lot of time for me to do this, and I want you to work on each question and ask me doubts. You can ask me doubts in the comment section. There are a lot of questions here. Just see, as I did for binary solutions, for colligative properties, 1.6, even page number of your NCERT is given here. Not one, not two, so many questions on your colligative properties, so many questions on this page by page. See here, page by page. There is not even a single topic, a single question which is missed out. Alright, so carefully do this, carefully take each and even after colligative properties, all the four relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation boiling point, depression freezing point, abnormal molar mass also, and osmotic pressure. After four, I took questions on abnormal molar mass also. So these questions, one after the other, it took a lot of time, as I mentioned. I also didn't leave for your NEET examination NCERT exemplar questions. Take this, alright. So NCERT exemplar questions are here. Everything, one after the other, you need to just go through. And most important thing is, see here, such numerical, picture-based questions are compulsory asked in the board exam. So you need to be very, very careful with this picture-based questions. So practice this, go through the question carefully. As I said, the solutions, past year NEET questions are also there, students. For those who are writing the NEET examination also, further there are a lot of questions, you can practice those. And finally, what I did is, see, all the answers are given here. Okay. Now what to do with the solutions? Yes. All the NCERT questions exemplar also. After giving that, now here hints and solutions. Everything one after the other, the numericals, the MCQ solutions are given for you to practice. So nothing to panic. Gradually go through it. I gave a detailed explanation of all the numericals. Everything is given. Everything is given here. Everything. So carefully work on this. And any doubt, please let me know. It is not one question, students. It is like completely every question is solved in detail with the answer. Every question, not one, not two. Every question is solved in detail with the answer. Everything is given. How to write according to the board pattern also is given in this. Now your task is, you're not going to leave these questions because this is covering every line of NCERT. As I mentioned, line by line NCERT is covered in this. So what should you do? You are going to start today, take a 300 pages notebook, take a 300 pages notebook and you are going to write this question one after the other. Okay, everything you're going to write one after the other and note it. Anywhere doubt, please ask me. I'm always there for you all. All these questions, whatever are there, everything is included in this. All right. Thank you so much, students. I'll be, as I said, I'll not leave your hand. I'll be sharing this PDF in your Telegram channel. Join in the Telegram. I'll be sharing this PDF at night around 9 p.m. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back again with more important topics and I'll be making you practice. So finish off this immediately. Thank you.